Hello guys, Global Studio here today for your Solidworks tips and tricks. In this video we will learn how to make a glass bulb. I will show the image now. In this, first thing is a glass, and second one is your tungsten filament, and third one is the holder. Mainly we will concentrate on this holder and this glass. Inside tungsten filament I will not concentrate much on this. This shape you can make it on your own as per your requirement. Without any delay, let's start this video. Go to file, take the new part, click OK, then go to front plane, take the line option, create a vertical line, and then again horizontal line and one inclined line, and then join it again. Now give the dimension for this 50 and this dimension give it around 30. Now this dimension or this angle we will give around 105. Then we will create one more line that is in vertical. Again we will draw one horizontal line and then join with the horizontal line. Just trim this one and make this angle 45 degree and give this dimension around 5.8 or this one 8.3. Now give this depth 2.5. Now on the top side we have to create the profile. Draw one vertical line and go to circle, create one circle here, and again draw one vertical line and then join with this point. Trim the extra lines, give this dimension 5.5. Anyway, this is a scaled model guys. You can reduce the size if you want. Just for the video purpose I am scaling the model. Give this dimension 3 and this one radius 1.5. Now click to this line, make it for construction, go to features, take the revolved boss and select the axis and select OK. Now we have to give the fillet, make this value 2 and select the edges. I am selecting these 3 edges and click OK. Now we have to create the thread. As you can see guys, here we can see these threads, right? This one we have to create. For that, create a sketch here and click to this edge and go and just click to this convert entities. It will create one sketch. Now select this sketch and go to curves and select the helix option. Now defined by this option, right? So here you have to select height and revolution. Give this height 45 and this revolution 6 and start angle 90 degree and give the taper helix angle 15 degree and give OK. Now we have to create one plane that is perpendicular to this helix. I selected the helix. Now just click to the helix start point. It is created the perpendicular plane. Now select the plane and create a sketch. I am creating one circle here like this. Exact on this point you have to create guys, and give the diameter 5. Just exit the sketch and go to swept cut option. Here two options are available. First option, you have to select the sketch, and second option you have to select the path and just click OK. Now click to this helix and plane and just make it invisible. Now go to fillet and select this edge and give the radius value 2. And then select the edge and click OK. Next go to fillet again, give the radius value 2 again, then select the edge. Now click OK. Now as you can see guys, here there is some sharp corners available here. For this, again go to fillet and change this radius value to 1. Change this radius value to 1, then click to this edge. Now it is created smooth profile. Now go to shell, click this face and give the dimension 1. And give the dimension 1. Now it is created. Our holder body is created now. Okay, before this profile we have to make one more thing, that is our tungsten filament part. Select this edge and convert entities, then go to features, go to extruded boss, give the dimension 110. Okay, now go to front plane again. This tungsten filament you can make it on your own guys, there is no restrictions for that. Anyway, I am not concentrating on this part much. Okay, we will create one shape like this. Then just go to extruded option, give this dimension, this direction 1, create make it as a mid plane and then give the dimension 1. Click OK. Now okay, now click to this post extrude and go to circular pattern and select the edge. We will give the value around 8. Okay, 8 is enough. Okay, 8 is enough. Go to front plane, take the wireframe option, and create one profile like this. Then take center line option, and then draw one line like this and join these two, join this point with that center line, make this horizontal and make this one also, this one vertical, and drag this little bit like this and make the shape like this. I think this is fine. Go to surfaces, revolved surface and select, click OK. As you can see guys, here our bulb is over. I'm going to give some colors. For the rendering purpose I am using different software, its name is Keyshot. You can use that software to render the item. Give any color. For this surface, different color I am giving. hide this part again and give this, we will change the color to this shaft. I will give it as a blue. Now for this holder, give a different color. Try to give different color for this. We will keep it yellow. For this we will give different color here. For this tungsten filament we have to give different color now. For that, go to medium gloss again. Give this red color. Try to give this red color. Okay. Now one more part is remaining. This one. Okay. Make sure different parts have different colors. Again we have to give yellow here. Then for this part we have to give different color. Go to low gloss and then give this colors. Go to 3D again and make this surface visible, and I will save this file, bulb 1. Now I am opening the model in KeyShot. I am exporting the model now. As you can see guys, here I exported the model to KeyShot, and I will change the image to this 2560 into 1600 size. And now I will just hide the glass, and I will go to emissive and just give the emissive option to these two. Now make it visible again. Go to glass and just give this color. Now go to metal or steel. After that, go to paint option, just give this paint to this edge. Okay. As you can see guys, here our bulb is already created now. If you want different colors, then you can find the colors here and then you can give that. I need a bit darker color. Okay, that's fine. We will keep it as it is. Then we will go to environment. No, lighting. We will give it as a jewelry. Or you can try some other options like performance, or different options like product, interior also available. I hope jewelry is good option. That's all guys for this tutorial. I hope you guys learned this tutorial properly. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Thank you for watching this video. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.